Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. On some people's vlog, I saw as at yesterday, they called it Vlogmas Day 4. I don't know how they're counting that, but for me, it's actually Vlogmas Day 7. How you guys doing? Happy Monday. Today is Monday over here. How you guys doing? This vlog is going up tomorrow, but I'll be going to the market. Yeah, I'm a market girl for now. I want to buy stuff because I'm craving okra soup, and I think I might cook okra soup today. If I don't cook it today, I'll cook it tomorrow. But I just like to make sure that whatever I'm using to cook, I have it at home. I don't like to go and buy stuff that day and cook that day. But I don't know, Sha, the way it's looking, I might even just forget about cooking the okra soup today. But I have plan of going to the market, or maybe I might not go. Maybe tomorrow. I still have Periwinkle. I still have a lot of stuff at home I will need to cook. I don't know what is wrong with me. I have things at home, but okay, I want to get meat. I'm out of protein. I have a goat in the farm that I have to slaughter and, dry as usual, but I'm trying to keep that very close to Christmas. I don't want to, I've eaten too much goat and I don't want to, let me just eat a little bit of cow meat, then I'll move back to goat. I'm sorry if you're vegetarian and you're watching this video. I'm sorry. It's already late. It's around 11 something. I don't know what took me this long. I like to go to the market in the morning, especially when I want to buy meat. That's the best time to buy meat. You don't want to go buy meat when all the flies and all the dirt, even if I know that there's no how you can avoid dirt and all those meat in the abattoir and everything, but at least go very early when it's still not very dirty, but you get the joke, right? Like, just try and go early. So that's what I like to do whenever I want to buy meat. Usually I have meat at home. I stock meat at home, but whenever I'm out like this and I need to get very small to make soup, I try to go very early in the morning. But as I said, it's already late. I don't know where I'm going by this time. This is not early at all. So see my madam over there, in case you guys are wondering. You guys see what this girl is doing to my stuff, right? You see what madam is doing? Renee, what are you doing?
Not really trying to date right now. Still trying to figure my heart out. Don't wanna love anybody else till I learn how to fall in love with myself.
Quality AirPods.
Maybe I'm insecure, or maybe the world is the problem. I guess I'm not really sure, so how do I learn what I'm worth? How do I love myself? Ooh, how do I love myself? Ooh, how do I know I'm enough? How do I learn how to not care so much? How do I love myself? Ooh, how do I love myself? Posting it all up on Instagram isn't helping me figure out who I am. All these edited faces up on my screen, how come none of them really look like me? Maybe I'm insecure, or maybe the world is the problem. I guess I'm not really sure, so how do I learn what I'm worth? How do I love myself? Ooh, how do I love myself? Ooh, how do I know I'm enough? How do I learn how to not care so much? How do I love myself? 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 How do I love myself?
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow.
Hey y'all, I'm back from the market. It was a quick one. I don't think I spent up to or more than 1 hour 30 minutes. And I forgot to schedule my video that's supposed to go up today. So I have to hurry up, finish with this, show you guys what we got, then go upstairs and schedule that video. What we have here is okra. I got just a little okra because I'm planning on making just very small okra soup. Then I have periwinkle. I got 2 of this. Guys, you guys can see that. Anyways, to me it's looking smaller than the one I usually buy, because I bought this one from a different market, not the market I usually go to. We still have some. I think we bought periwinkle some days ago. I still have some in the fridge, but I just got extra. So let's pour it into this bowl. I'll show you guys what I got. So I got this. So I got this for 2005, and this is another type, and this one for 1000, and this for 25. Then I got this is fish. This one, I got this fish for the okra soup. I like this mackerel fish actually. So I got this mackerel fish for the okra soup because I like the taste of mackerel fish in my okra soup. Yeah, I got that one for, I got this one for 700. As small as it is, can you imagine? And I got this periwinkle. This is normal kind of periwinkle, but this one still has the shell. And I got this periwinkle, and I got this one for 250. I like to use this to make my afang soup, vegetable soup, plantain porridge. So I just like to have a little in the fridge in case I want to make any of those dishes. But yeah, I just got random stuff as usual. The main thing that I really wanted to get today was this, because I don't have any meat. I have fish and all, but I don't have meat. So those are all the things I got. As I told you guys, I might cook today, I might not cook, I don't know. But if I cook, I'll definitely take you guys along. If I don't cook, then we're going to cook tomorrow. So it's going to be it's going to be in tomorrow's vlog or next tomorrow's vlog, because this vlog is going to go live tomorrow. So yeah, I'm tired now. I want to take tea and bread. I told you guys I take my own breakfast as brunch because I don't want to eat too much. So let me keep you guys somewhere and take tea and bread, and we'll talk later. All right?
Never know, never know, never know. Would that be me? If I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? But that's not to say that I'm not happy with my life this way. I know both ways, but I'll be thinking about the parallel days. If that was me.
I was just going through my channel today and I realized that, girl, we filmed quite a number of videos.
In my city. Red, blue, and green. stayed in my city. Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like.